You think health insurance is boring? You think it's just paperwork and fine print? What if I told you it could be the one thing that saves your entire life savings one day? That's right. One wrong decision, one missed clause, and everything you've built could vanish overnight? Sounds scary. It should. Because most people in India are walking around with zero idea what their policy even covers. And by the time they realize the truth, it's already too late. I'm Bob the Coach, and today I'm pulling the curtain back. No jargon, no marketing nonsense. Just real talk about how to choose the best health insurance in India, especially if you truly care about protecting your health and wealth. Let's be honest, we hustle hard. We grind day and night to build a life for ourselves and our families. But what happens if life hits us out of nowhere? A sudden surgery, hospitalization, a freak accident. One hospital bill can wipe out years of savings, especially in private hospitals where one day of ICU costs more than a vacation abroad. And yet, when people buy insurance, they just go with whatever their agent says, or worse, they say, "It won't happen to me." But guess what? Health doesn't ask for your permission before breaking down. So how do you protect yourself smartly? Let's break it down Bob the Coach style. First, don't chase low premiums blindly. Cheap doesn't mean better. It often means hidden limits, sub-limits on room rent, disease-specific caps, or restrictions that can destroy your claim when you need it most. Always check. Is there a room rent limit? If yes, it can cause massive out-of-pocket costs. Are there copay clauses? That means you pay a percentage of the bill every time. What's the waiting period for pre-existing diseases? 2 years? Son? More? What's the network hospital list near you? Because if your favorite hospital isn't covered, you're stuck. Does it cover modern treatments, mental health, daycare procedures, organ donation, maternity if needed? And listen carefully, don't rely only on employer insurance. Yes, that office health cover feels good. But what if you lose your job? What if you switch companies or become self-employed? You'll be left with nothing. You must always have a personal health insurance policy that's separate from your company one. It's your security, not your HR's responsibility. Now you might ask, Bob, what should be the ideal coverage amount? I got you. For major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, or Bangalore, aim for at least 10-15 lakhs coverage. For tier 2 or 3 cities, minimum 5-10 lakhs. If you can't afford a big cover initially, start with 5 lakhs and add a super top-up plan. It is cheaper and gives you extended coverage when big bills strike. And remember, buy early. The younger and healthier you are, the cheaper and cleaner your policy will be. No pre-existing conditions, no waiting periods, smooth approval, lifelong renewability. Now let's expose the common traps people fall into. My agent is a family friend. Emotions don't pay hospital bills. Get a good policy, not just a good agent. Government hospitals are free, yes, but overcrowded, underfunded, and unpredictable. Do you want to gamble when your loved one's life is on the line? I'll manage when it happens. Newsflash. When it happens, you won't be in control. Insurance is bought with foresight, not regret. And don't get fooled by just the brand name. A big company doesn't mean a good policy. Compare plans using IRDAI-approved portals or trusted aggregators. Read the policy wordings. Yes, it's boring, but it's better than crying. Later, you have to understand health insurance is not a product. It's a promise, a safety net, a decision that can make the difference between peace of mind and financial disaster. And I know. Insurance feels confusing. You want someone to guide you, break it down, tell you what works and what doesn't. That's why I'm here. Because Bob the Coach isn't just about biceps and budgets, it's about building a bulletproof life. So here's what I want you to do today. Review your current policy. Do you even know what it covers? Check if you've got sub-limits, room rent, treatments, or diseases. Don't delay. If you're healthy now, get insured now while your profile is clean. Compare top plans, not for discounts, but for value. Educate your family, your parents, your spouse, your siblings. Don't wait for tragedy to teach them the lesson, because when the storm comes, and it will come someday, you'll either be protected or exposed. There's no middle ground. And hey, you're not doing this just for yourself. You're doing it for your parents who raised you, for your kids who look up to you, for your partner who dreams with you. Being responsible is sexy. Being prepared is powerful. And when you combine fitness, finance, and future planning, you don't just survive. You thrive. You're not just some guy watching YouTube. You're a leader in your family. You're a builder of legacies. And now you're becoming the person who takes action when it matters most. So don't wait for a hospital emergency to teach you this lesson the hard way. Learn now, act now, insure now, because Bob the Coach believes in health and in wealth, but above all, in wisdom. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family because this knowledge is not just life-changing. It's life-saving. Comment below. I am choosing smart if you're ready to protect what truly matters. This is Bob the Coach, and I'll see you in the next video, where we continue turning smart people into unstoppable legends.